Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another MLittleProgramming tutorial. In today's video, we will look at the reduce function in Python. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this type of content. Let's jump straight into it. Now, let's get into reduce functions in Python. A reduce function applies the same operation to items of a sequence. The reduce function then uses the result of each operation as the first parameter of the next operation. This process will become clearer if it isn't already when we hop into an example in a moment. After the reduce function has got to the end of a sequence, the reduce function returns an item, not a list. So, what's the syntax? If you're using Python 3, which if you're just learning Python, it is probably a good idea to be using, then you will actually need to import the reduce function. The reduce function is in the functools module. So to import reduce, at the top of the file, we need to write from functools import reduce. The reduce function takes two parameters. The first is a function. The second is a sequence. So let's define a def function first. Let's define a function that has two parameters and adds the two parameters together. Of course, the value of the first parameter here will be the result of the previous operation, and the value of the second parameter will be the next item in our sequence. We'll call our function add function, and our two parameters will just be called a and b. Inside of this function, we will simply return a plus b. So, back inside our reduce function, we will pass the add function into the reduce function, and then we will pass a list of three numbers in as the second parameter. In this case, we'll just have the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So now when we run this, we get the number 6. So, what has happened? Well, in the first call of the reduce function, we don't have the result of a previous equation, so we actually pass in the first two numbers of our sequence into our add function. So, the numbers 1 and 2 are added together, making 3. This 3 is then a result of a previous equation, and so on the next call of the reduce function, we pass that 3 as the first argument, and then the 3 in our sequence as the second argument. We can also get the same functionality as this by using a lambda function. This means we don't need our def function, so we can delete it. We will replace the first argument of our filter function, the def function we've just deleted, with a lambda function. This lambda function will take two arguments, like our def function. The expression inside of the lambda function will just be a plus b. When we run this now, we again get 6 as our result, and that just about wraps up this video on filter, map, reduce in Python. I'll put a link to the code you've seen in this video in the description down below. Thank you for watching the video this far. I hope you got a lot of value from it. If you'd like to see more Python programming tutorials, there will be a link in the description down below to a playlist of Python programming tutorials. With that said, if you liked the video, if you could drop a like on the video, it would be much appreciated as it really helps the channel, and subscribe to see new Python programming tutorials every week. Also, if you've got any questions about the video, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Have a great day.